Welcome to Sage X3's Vertical Market Customer Success and Demo Series. I'm Dave Cranage, Field Sales Engineer for Sage X3. Today, we'll demonstrate Sage X3 support for the wholesale distribution vertical. Sage X3 for wholesale distribution provides real-time insights into all aspects of sales, inventory, product profitability, and warehouse operations, so wholesale distributors can adapt to an uncertain future. In X3, role-based permissions control user access. This dictates what a user can see and do in the system. On the X3 home screen, which we are looking at right here, the user manages daily activities, responsibilities, and real-time reporting using landing pages that are highly customizable with gadgets. Gadgets add toolbars, charts and graphs, inquiries, or specific visual process maps that help a user complete daily tasks. We'll use the distribution visual process map to illustrate how X3 automates processes, improves inventory management, and increases system-wide visibility, as well as reporting accuracy. The product master is the core of X3 distribution. We'll open it by clicking the product icon on our visual process map. Here, the product master acts as the central source of truth, consolidating product details, attributes, and pricing into one connected workspace. The screen has three sections: the left list, center console, and right panel. Together, they provide a 360-degree view of each item, covering inventory, warehouse locations, suppliers, traceability, pricing, and related business transactions. It also supports multiple units of measure, such as pallets, cases, or individual items, helping distributors sell the way customers buy. By centralizing product data, distributors gain tighter control over inventory, compliance, and margins, driving efficiency and profitability across procurement, logistics, and sales. Let's return to the distribution visual process map. From our visual process map, let's start our distribution journey by creating a new quote. Let's select the quote icon from our distribution visual process map. Let's create a new quote by selecting the plus button. Let's add our customer, Johnson Wholesale, and then let's jump down to our quote lines. Using our action card, let's select Product Customer Selection. This is a list of the different products that Johnson Wholesale buys from us. In this case, they want the small gloves, and they want 10 cases of those gloves. Note that creating the quote also created a new line item. S3 ear loop masks are part of a promotion and are free if a customer buys 9 or more boxes of gloves. X3 has a dynamic rules-based pricing engine that adapts to transactional needs such as discounts, promotions, and special offers. It also provides structured rebate and contract pricing capabilities, ensuring consistency and control across customer-specific agreements. Let's push our quote into a new sales order. See how easy it was to convert the quote to a new sales order? Although I'm not using it here, X3 offers multiple levels of approval for quotes and sales orders. An approver can quickly accept or reject a request through an automated email process. Let's jump down to the sales order lines. Note that when I select the ordered quantity field, the system shows stock availability. Also, see how our products are green? X3 uses conditional formatting to show me we have plenty of available inventory. Let's head back to our distribution visual process map. Creating new sales orders generates demand. Using X3's powerful MRP engine, we can quickly determine if we have what's needed to deliver that demand. Let's drill into the MRP icon and run it. MRP provides the planning logic to make or buy only what's needed exactly when it's needed. It also considers stock across multiple warehouses and can generate intercompany or intersite transfer suggestions. It answers 3 key questions across the enterprise. What items are required? How many are required? And when are they required? Once MRP has run, we can see that the system has created suggestions for work orders, purchase orders, intersite transfers, subcontracts, and more. Let's head back to our visual process map. We know running MRP creates suggestions, so let's look at MRP's purchase suggestions by going to the Buyer's Workbench. X3's Buyer's Workbench is a decision support tool for buyers and planners. It suggests purchases based on actual demand. Enabling a buyer to select the type and number of containers, group specific item suggestions to load, and verify volume and weight against container capacity. Once confirmed, the system generates a purchase order for those items and quantities. Buyers can also account for landed costs, giving distributors a clear picture of actual margins. Let's head back to the distribution visual process map. Sage X3 streamlines the pick and pack process with handhelds, barcode scanning, flexible packing rules, and warehouse assignments. The result is speed and accuracy for wholesale distribution. To save us some time, I've already completed the pick and pack process and prepped the shipment for us to review and send on to the client. From our distribution visual process map, let's jump to the Shipping tab and check out the Shipping Workbench. X3 is extremely flexible in defining how the pick, pack, and ship components work together within the system. X3 supports straight ship by order, delivery-driven work assignments for directed picking, and wave releases to the warehouse for sequence pick, pack, and ship. Once the shipments are created, they can appear on a scheduled shipments calendar. The calendar gadget can be used to manage the different carrier shipment schedules. Shipments can be accessed directly from the calendar. Let's grab our shipment from today. X3 has out-of-the-box API integration to FedEx and UPS online systems, as well as integration to powerful multi-carrier shipping solutions. An integrated shipping solution provides a more efficient shipping process, less errors, and potential for greater profits. Let's go ahead and validate the shipment. This generates an email to the customer with the tracking number embedded so they can monitor the shipment to their door. Let's head back to our distribution visual process map. Let's revisit the quote and see how X3 keeps track of the recorded business document history. From our distribution visual process map, let's click on the quote icon again. From the right panel selection, we'll select Today to see the quotes generated today. Let's select our quote. Going right back to the right panel. Under Options, let's select Journal Traceability. Journal Traceability shows the detailed transactions that have been recorded from the quote forward. This ensures full forward and backward traceability, a regulatory and customer service must-have in wholesale distribution. By selecting the Business Transaction Line Items action card, we can drill right into the document detail. If a product recall were to occur, journal traceability is a vital part of tracking down and notifying the affected customers. Let's head back to the distribution visual process map. As we traveled through the distribution visual process map, a lot of data was recorded along the way. When it's time to analyze and monitor business performance and our key indicators, that data is golden. X3's business intelligence tools provide centralized real-time insight that facilitate planning optimization and the ability to react efficiently across all decision-making processes. Managers can monitor key distribution KPI analytics, like fill rates, back orders, cycle times, and margins, directly from their dashboards to drive faster decisions, improve performance, and enhance customer profitability. With X3's business intelligence tools, companies become more agile, make more accurate decisions, and are increasingly competitive in today's global economy. This quick demonstration showed how X3 supports wholesale distribution by streamlining operations, ensuring compliance, and enabling growth in a changing market. Thanks for attending Sage X3's Vertical Market Customer Success and Demo Series.